Hi guys, Lee Cole here. Before we do anything, give me a like on this video. Give me a thumbs up. Also, scroll down, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon because I got cool new content coming out every week. All right. Now, let's take a look at Automated Authority Engine. I'm going to show you everything. All right. Automated Authority Engine. We're going to do three things. We're going to walk through this sales letter. After that, I'm going to show you the members area, and then we're going to end up checking out the OTOs. This is Tom Gaddis. Tom walks the talk. I've known Tom for several years now. He is absolutely the man when it comes to local marketing. He's a person that I really look up to and admire, and also he is here to help you actually build a business. For local marketers, consultants, and agency owners who want a guaranteed way to land good paying clients in the next 7 days. So powerful it closes 40 to 50% of new prospects. Coming from Tom, that's not BS. If you want to start getting clients in the next 7 days, read this very carefully. Now, I'm going to hit the highlights on the sales letter, but I'm obviously not going to read you the whole thing. We're going to show you an easy way to get clients by simply copy and pasting, and how we make $799 to $1,000 per client and have them say yes on the very first contact. This is one thing that I really like about this. Now, we'll see more about what I'm talking about here in the members area. But the deal is, Tom and his partners in his business took a look at what is really trending in terms of local business marketing. Now, granted, this may not be trending 2 years from now, but while it's trending now, you can make a massive ton of money from it. And they found out that pay-per-click, not trending. Website design, not trending. Mobile apps, not trending. Email marketing, not trending. But they did find an amazingly hot trend, something that all business owners need and want and know they want, and that's why they're getting this 40 to 50% closing rate. Now, automated authority engines. Okay, so with these three new automated engines, you literally copy and paste and then watch the close rate skyrocket. It's that simple. 3 ways of getting business. Engine number 1, free offer. And they give you everything inside the members area. I'll show you this. Free offer. Easily set yourself up to attract a ton of leads and prospects. One-time offer. Quickly convert those leads and prospects into customers. And fast cash. And they show you all about not only what to do, but how to do it. Okay, these guys are great teachers. And residual offer, let's take that one-time offer and let's turn that into a monthly income with a 40 to 50% closing rate. It's kind of like this. How much? And Tom actually says this on the video at the top of the sales page. What do you want your income to be? Figure out what you want your income to be. You can just backwards engineer this and figure out how many clients you need to close, and it's not going to be that many. And then you can take Tom's system, and it's actually got software with it too, and let it do the closing. So instant turnaround, instant results, instant clients, as they say, just rinse and repeat. This kind of referral, reputation, review power, because that's basically what this whole thing is centered around. So it's essentially, it's bigger than this, but it's essentially a new take, a new way of doing reputation management, but they make very clear inside the members area, inside the training, that it's not just managing, it's building. You are using software, so you don't do any of the work yourself. You're using software to build your clients' online presence, brand, and reputation. All you got to do is sign them up. Software does the rest. It is that cool. So, Authority Accelerator, Module 1. These are the modules inside the members area. We'll see this. The big opportunity. This is the 30,000-foot view. Tell you all about how to generate leads. Look, free offer strategy, one-time offer, residual offer strategy, make money strategy, breakthrough offer strategy. And what I love about this, and again, Tom does say this in the video at the top of the sales letter, so I don't want to be repetitive. There's no theory here. This is just exactly what is working right now and what will continue to work for this foreseeable future. Module 4, instant customers. We're not just teaching you to fish. we're giving you a fish too. Because with the new, now this is key, with the new custom software, you can copy and paste your way to new deals, clients, and cash in the next 7 days. And the software is called Review Pops. Let me show you what it looks like, because it is actually cool as all get out. Here is a sample web page, and you can get to this site from the sales letter itself. Did you see that? Look, I'm just kind of scrolling down, and then this pop-up pops up, and the software handles this. Ryan B. Danny has a great gym set up, all the equipment you could possibly need. Isn't that cool? So imagine you're the gym owner and you're trying to build your online reputation. You're trying to manage your online reputation, and you're trying to really increase your close ratio of people who are coming into your gym. Why you instead of LA Fitness? LA Fitness is pretty good. Why you, right? So just imagine that you're thinking about subscribing or, buying the services of this gym, and you see these review pops. Soldier Fit of Frederick, couldn't even read that one. Hang on, you see these review pops, and this is the kind of thing that seals the deal. I joined Soldier Fit a few months ago out of a necessity to gain muscle. I've been a runner and cyclist now you can also, I'll hit the next one. See, these pop up and go back, pop up and go back, and they really get the attention of the person who is looking at the website. Check this out. Did you see how I hit more? And bam, look at this. The entire review, the stars, and now we can actually scroll through. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And click to call. It's all right here. This is a game changer for local businesses. It's a deal closer for local businesses. And best of all, for you, super easy to sell if you follow Tom's system. And also, software does all the work. So that, in a nutshell, is what this is about. You take a look at the sales letter. There's a video down here of the software, how it works. Please take a look at that. I've pretty much just shown you what it does. Read all about it. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to check out the members area. Okay, here we are in the Accelerator members area. And the training is done by David Sprague, who is like a giant in the local marketing field. And I love the training for several reasons. One, no theory, just stuff that works. Comprehensive, assuming that you're a newbie, that you know nothing, and taking you all the way to expert. And really, really, really doesn't take that long to go through the training because, number one, software handles all this stuff. And, you need to know what you need to know, but they don't waste your time knowing stuff that you don't need to know. Start here, the big opportunity, make money strategy, generate leads, instant customers. 2 topics, 5 topics, 4 topics, 8 topics, 16 topics. I'm not going to take your time while I sit here and fumble about trying to add that up. But that's not that many videos, and that is so cool. Videos aren't that long either. Look, this video is like 6 minutes long. I looked at several. Matter of fact, I've looked at virtually all of these. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes, like that. Just telling you what you need to know. And resources and transcripts down here. Okay, so if you're like me, you look at the video and then, but you want to remember something and come back to it. There's something in the training that you need later, but you don't want to look through all the videos. You can just search through the transcripts and find what you need. This is a phenomenal system. It's set up like, as an advanced learning portal. So you do get, complete lessons. It keeps up with all of that stuff for you. That's the members area. Let's talk about the OTOs next. Now let's talk about the OTOs. Okay, so the front end offer, first sales page you land on, you buy that, and you saw how cool that was. I mean, you get the software, the training, everything, and then you can add some more stuff to it if you want to. I think from these guys, I would buy as much as I could afford if I were you. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just really excited about this, and I know the software is amazing, and I know these guys walk the talk. I am going to walk you through this and show you, or rather read you a couple of things. And so you know what's coming your way. Now, when you buy the front-end offer, there's what we call a bump offer. You may have seen these. These are a little bit new in the internet marketing world, but basically you buy, you click the buy button, you come to the page where you check out, and then there's an offer. It's like an upsell, except it's a very inexpensive upsell. Okay, there's a little offer that you can add to your purchase. Sometimes, when I buy stuff, I want to do that, and sometimes I don't. I don't know. I mean, you decide, but I was extremely excited about the bump offer in this particular thing, because what it is it's 5 case studies, a case study pack of 5 case studies. Chiropractor, business, demographic report, and presentation. Dentist business demographic report and presentation covers chiropractors, dentists, HVAC, landscaping business, and roofers. I love stuff like this. I mean, this really helps me put it all together when I can see a case study. So it's very inexpensive. It's going to cost you less than the front end offer would cost you. I mean, if it was me, I would add that to it. I'm not telling you what to do. Now, upgrade 1. Upgrade number 1. By the way, there are not many upgrades. They're all of 3. Okay, 3 possible upsells to this. So upgrade, upsell number 1, sales and marketing package. Now, sales and marketing power pack. You get an agency slide deck presentation. You get done-for-you blog posts, done-for-you email campaigns, done-for-you social media posts, done-for-you voice scripts. And then you get done-for-you review pop templates for movers, pest control companies, roofers, carpet cleaning, cosmetic surgery, weight loss, residential cleaning, residential contractor, childcare, and gyms. Again, extremely affordable. It looks good to me. Do you have to have it? No, you don't have to have it. You can literally go with the front-end offer. If you can afford it, I would buy the bump offer. I mean, maybe you don't like case studies. I love case studies, but so that's really, really cool. Now, let's look at the second upsell, which is a 10 times review pops upgrade. So basically, you just get a ton more ability with the software. Now, full disclosure, I am not looking at a list of exactly what this does. Frankly, because this product hasn't launched yet, and Tom's team has not actually put everything on the document that I'm looking at, which is totally cool. They will get it all there. It's going to be worth it. But when you hit that second upgrade, I want you to slow down and actually read that sales letter, because it's going to be really, really good. It's going to massively expand what you can do. Upgrade number 3 is a 16-week authority mastery track. I have no idea what that is. Just being honest with you. I've known Tom like 5 years, okay? He started a local marketing business, and then he got, just like I did, 11 years ago, he got really excited about the prospect of teaching other people how to do this. So along with his local marketing business, he started creating products like this. And I actually interviewed him for his first product, which was, I forgot what it was, but it was amazing and excellent. And he has built yet another business on the side and has helped so many people. So trust. I really trust the guy to bring the goods, okay? And you trust whom you want to, but he has my stamp of approval. When you get to the upgrade 2 and 3 sales letters, just slow down and read them. Decide if you want them. Do you have to have them? No, obviously not. But I can guarantee you that they're going to really, really rock. So let's talk about what we've covered. We've talked about Authority Accelerator. It's not even reputation management. This takes building a business's online reputation, building their brand to a whole new level, because it's powered by software, right? It's super easy to sell. They cover exactly how to sell it. The members area rocks. It's using the latest learning technology, and I love this. And we have talked about the OTOs. So ball's in your court. You figure out what you want to do. My name is Lee Cole. Thank you so much for looking at this video.